This is part 3 of my boat project. I'm putting the engine back in. I think it's all fixed. Just getting this back in, and hopefully the boat will run and work pretty well. And there the engine is inside the boat, and it runs pretty well. The engine has a loud tick, which I thought was a loose valve, but after adjusting the valves, I think it's more likely a lifter. So we drove it to the lake, but on the way to the lake, the bearing on one side of the trailer completely went out. We were pretty close to the lake, so we just went to the lake and took the boat out and tested it. So we drove the trailer back home empty. It wasn't very far. And then we fixed the bearing and then went back for the boat. The next day I filled the boat with water on the inside a bit to see if I could find where it was leaking. So I'm pretty sure it's coming from the seal around where it attaches to the transom. I also messed with the timing some more. So after getting everything fixed up and putting silicone sealant around where the outdrive connects to the transom, we took it out for water skiing, and it did pretty well.